Will there be a fourth stimulus check? This is a major question that many people want to know right now, so let's get into it and discuss what is going on with stimulus check number 4 and where do we actually stand with a fourth stimulus check. Let's get into it right away. But really quickly, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. If you're new here or if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button right down below the video, as I am back every single day to keep you updated with all of this information that is changing very rapidly every single day. Not only that, I am very much committed to everybody right here on the channel to help you out in any way that I can, to answer your questions, and ultimately just be here for you every single day to give you all of these latest updates as they are hitting the wire. So if you like the sound of that, again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button right down below the video. Also, share this video or any others here on the channel with your friends, family, and social media. All right, thank you. I really appreciate it. Let's talk through this. So here's what we do know. Let's discuss what we do know about this stimulus check number 4 and where we currently stand with this thing and kind of deduct where we're going with this thing. All right, so here's what we do know. We do know that Congress is currently working on this budget reconciliation. It's the $3.5 trillion stimulus package that we've talked about many, many times right here on the channel in previous videos. Now, here's the thing. Over the last few days and several weeks, we've seen numerous different proposals and stimulus provisions coming out to be added into this $3.5 trillion stimulus package. And I would imagine we're probably going to see many more hitting the table over the coming days and weeks as this thing is still opened up and certainly open for discussion, right? Here's the thing. They have $3.5 trillion to spend within this package. So you could probably add just about anything that you could ever want and or dream of into this package because there is a ton of money available right here. All right, so that is one thing that we do know. Next, we also do know that they want to hold a final vote, as what Nancy Pelosi said not that long ago, discussing the final passing and voting on this package as well as the infrastructure package in a matter of just weeks. So we do know this. So basically might maybe happen here, within the course of 1 month from now, I mean, seriously, in 1 month from now, this package could be completely done and passed. Yeah, kind of hard to believe, right? Considering where we currently are standing right now, in a matter of just a few weeks, we could be completely done and passed with this package. We'll have to see about that. Again, as I've said so many times in my other videos, please don't hold your breath. We see so many delays in Congress, so even though they want to get it done in a matter of just a few weeks, well, we'll have to see about that, right? I mean, we've talked about that so many times. So that is one thing that we do know, though. Nancy Pelosi has previously said that she wants it done by the start of October, October 1st, right? So that's not that far away. It's going to go fast, especially with everything that we're talking about right now. Also, here's what else we do know. We do know that there are 53 members within the House of Representatives who are in support of a $2,000 fourth stimulus check, as well as monthly recurring payments. We also do know that there are 21 senators who, once again, are in support of a $2,000 fourth stimulus check, as well as monthly recurring payments. We also know that there are 7 members within the House Ways and Means Committee that, once again, are in support of additional stimulus checks. And once again, the infamous group and the very influential group, the Economic Security Project, is, yes, once again, as you called it, they are actually in support of a fourth and even fifth stimulus check, citing in a report a few months ago that a simple fourth and fifth stimulus check would lift millions upon millions of people out of poverty this year. That's a very important point right there, because here's the thing. We know that the administration and Congress is very focused on lifting people out of poverty, hence the child tax credit payments. Remember those? Those are going out each and every month right now to about 40 million households and families. Yeah, that is the kind of the whole idea behind those payments, is to lift people out of poverty and to help people out with those payments. So if that's their objective, to lift people out of poverty, I don't know about you, but I can think of a really good way to do it. Let's just look at the report from the Economic Security Project. They've laid it out very clearly in that report. They've done a great job with the research that they did, and they laid it out very clearly. A fourth and even fifth stimulus check would be a great way to lift tens of millions of people out of poverty once again in 2021, right? So here's the thing. When it comes down to stimulus check number 4, here is where we stand and what's going on with this thing. So coming back full circle to our original question, will there be a fourth stimulus check? Now here's the thing. It's time to get real, and it's time to get completely transparent and open up with everything that we do know. So what I just laid out on the table is what we do know. Now here's the thing. Let's run through a couple more points here, and then we'll come back and totally discuss where we are with stimulus check number 4. And I get it. There's a lot that goes into this. Let's think back really briefly. Let's take a little trip down history lane. Is that what it's called? Memory lane. Is that what it's called? I don't even know if that's what it's called. Clearly, my memory isn't serving me right now. Whatever. All right, anyway. So let's take a little trip down mystery lane, memory lane, something like that, history lane. And let's talk about stimulus check number 3, stimulus check number 2, and stimulus check number 1 from last year. All 3 of these payments. What predicated these 3 payments? Well, it just so happened to be the virus that was spreading around so rapidly during the time that those checks were approved and the economic shocks as a result of those stimulus payments. Well, as the virus and then the stimulus payments coming in to rescue the day. Okay, so that's what happened with stimulus check number 1, number 2, and number 3. So here's the thing. Where are we sitting right now with this whole virus situation? Well, I'm not sure about you, but when I do all of my research each and every day to boil all the information down in these short videos to deliver it to you each day, I'm coming across a ton of information that is telling me that this Delta variant right now is spreading very, very fast right now. There are hospitals at capacity, hospitals that are overflowing. There are like a lot of really bad situations. There are isolated lockdowns coming in some areas, in some cities, in some counties. There are isolated lockdowns. There are states, once again, implementing full mask mandates across indoor and even outdoor mask mandates being put in place. There are a lot of different restrictions right now, travel restrictions coming into place. Does anybody see anything a little bit similar and very familiar with 2020? I don't know about you, but I'm seeing a mirror image of 2020 all over again. In fact, right now, it actually seems a little bit worse than what it was just about a year and a half ago, right? At the time, we thought that was really bad because we didn't have anything to compare it with. Well, now we have something to compare it with, and it's actually looking even worse right now. So, again, I just want to make it very clear. I'm not taking sides with the whole virus thing. I know it's a very controversial topic. I'm not going down that road. I'm simply just saying this is what we are seeing from the reports that are being sent out to us. That's all I'm basically saying with it. So, with that information, we can see that, oh, wow, the virus is spreading very rapidly right now. We are experiencing basically like 2020 situations once again, just like last year. In fact, even more intense. And now here we sit looking at this massive $3.5 trillion stimulus package, more than enough money in there to be adding into it a 4th stimulus check. Does anybody have a head-scratcher idea right now? Because I certainly do. I just had a light bulb moment. Well, I mean, clearly I've had it a few months ago, but either way, I once again have had a light bulb moment. Here's the thing. As of right now, a 4th stimulus check has not technically been added into the reconciliation bill. But, as I've been saying for so long now, I would be completely shocked if they don't add one into it. I think it's all about timing. I honestly think it's about timing. Think to the last 3 stimulus checks that we received. All of those were released, conveniently, all about timing. Do you remember that? Let's think back to January for just a minute regarding stimulus check number 3. And again, I am not taking political sides. I'm just telling you what actually happened. Remember to the runoff Senate race in Georgia in early January of this year. Do you remember that? January 5th, it was January 5th, President Biden was in Georgia campaigning. And he basically told everybody in the audience, and again, everybody that was watching because it was all filmed and it was online everywhere, he basically said, talking about the 2 senators, if you send me those 2 senators, we will get you stimulus checks, a $2,000 stimulus check immediately. Do you remember that? Well, guess what? We got the 2 senators that he demanded because people said, hey, if we elect these 2 guys into the Senate, then we get more money. So what did everybody do? They voted and they got those 2 guys in office, right? They got those 2 guys in the Senate. Therefore, President Biden, well, it wasn't exactly immediately. I'm just going to say it was not immediately like it was sold to us. It was a month and a half later. Well, yeah. I mean, it was about almost 2 months after the inauguration that finally stimulus checks started to roll in. So not quite immediately, but, it was kind of close. But either way, that is one example of perfect timing, right? A day before the runoff elections actually went into play, President Biden was there saying, give me those two guys and you'll get some money. So there you go. Timing perfectly timed right there to get that. So all I'm saying, again, that is not taking sides at all. I'm just simply telling you that is exactly what happened. If you want to see it, feel free to look it up. There's videos of it all over the place, and it's exactly, I mean, we talked about it, and I may even have some video clips from that whole situation back, in early January. So that is something that happened. So here's the thing. It's all about timing for all of these packages and these announcements and stuff like that. When it comes to politics, I think all of us have been around long enough. We know the political game, right? It's all about strategizing to get the most amount of attention, the most amount of votes, and all this kind of stuff to ultimately give one party the winning edge, right? Or one person in particular, maybe a winning edge. So that's kind of the thing. So even though a fourth stimulus check has not technically been added into the reconciliation bill, again, I would be completely surprised if it's not added into there. I just feel like at this point, with everything going on right now and all the signs and everything pointing toward additional stimulus checks that are very much needed right now, I just feel like it would be completely surprising if it's not in there. Here's the thing. They have more than enough money to add it in. And here's the thing too. People, the American people, are expecting it to be in there. If it's not in there, can you imagine what's going to happen if a fourth stimulus check is not added into the package? I think if they try to push that package through and there's not one in there, you're going to see massive, massive outcry on a wide level, on a very wide scale, coming out saying, hey, you guys told us there's supposed to be relief in there for the people, and there's not a stimulus check. That's the least you could do. Worst case scenario, I think last minute they're going to be forced to add one in. Even if they don't add it in, they start working their way through the approval process of this thing, pushing it through the House and the Senate, and it's not there. I think last minute they're almost going to be forced to add it into it simply because of the massive outcry. And don't worry, we'll be right here on the channel. If it's not there, we will absolutely be some of those people with the massive outcry, doing everything we possibly can to say, hey, excuse me, you guys have forgotten something very, very important. By the way, since you waited so long, make it $2,000, right? Oh yeah, by the way, throw some extra ones in there, by the way, because, all of the anguish that we've had to deal with because of all this, throw some extra money in there for us. So you know what I mean? So I hope all of this makes sense and kind of answers the question. We simply don't know right now. I'm just being totally real with you. Just got to lay it all out, tell you where we currently sit right now, just being completely transparent with everything. But I hope this kind of lays it out and lets you understand where we actually sit. But please, don't worry. I am here for you every single day. I'm doing tons of research on this. I'm watching everything very closely. As soon as we get some kind of official announcement or anything like that, of course, I'll be back right here giving you those announcements immediately as we get them. So I hope all that makes sense. So again, make sure that you are subscribed right down below the video. Make sure to hit that button so that I can keep you updated each and every day, and so that you make sure to watch all of my videos going forward, as it is going to be very, very busy. I've been saying this for a few weeks now, and it really is. It is very busy. There's a lot of announcements each and every day. I literally have to boil them down and kind of figure out, pick and choose, what am I going to talk about in this video, because I have like 10 different topics. Which 4 should I talk about right here? Get what I'm saying? So make sure you're subscribed down below. Share this video with your friends, family, social media. And again, any others here on the channel, thank you. I truly do appreciate it. It's an amazing community. I just absolutely love connecting with everybody here. It's really just a really great time. So thank you again. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. And I really do hope that this one helps you out.